Hey, and welcome to this week's version of the Rugged Rundown. And I'm going to tell you what I really think about the Dell Latitude 5404. And here I have one, and I want to show you the number one thing that I dislike about this laptop. And I want to just make a note here. Dell doesn't pay me to make videos. Neither does Getac or Panasonic. You're getting my real opinion, and the Dell Latitude 5404, although it's popular, has some flaws. And the number one flaw on the 5400 series in general, that's including the 5414, the 5420, the 5424, is the screen hinges. Here's what happens after it's been in a vehicle, moving around, stopping and going, as well as opening and closing it. Watch this. I'm just gonna push it forward. I'm not putting very much pressure on this screen, and look at the play that you end up with in these hinges. And this is not an isolated incident. This happens regularly on this model. In fact, the hinges are the most repaired part on this model. So that's one thing I can tell you about the Dell Latitude 5404. I think that if you were going to buy and invest in a laptop that's semi-rugged, you're better off going with something like the Panasonic Toughbook CF53. It's in the same age bracket as this model, and you end up with a much sturdier hinge as well as unit in general. Port covers are not bad on this unit. I will tell you, they have metal hinges that go back and forth. So I do like the hinges on the port covers, as well as they have a nice rubber gasket that goes around so that it keeps the dirt and grime out of your ports. But battery life is okay. Batteries are abundant on Amazon or on Dell's website, as a matter of fact. So you can easily get a new battery, but any other parts that you need to get for this unit, whether it be keyboard, screen, mouse pad, anything that breaks down on this, you're going to end up having a hard time finding the parts. And again, that's why I'm suggesting that you look at even the Getac S410 or the Panasonic Toughbook CF53. You'll end up paying about the same price and end up with better units. But that's my brutal, honest opinion on the Dell Latitude 5404. If you have any questions or concerns, or you want to comment, please leave your comments. I answer them all. As well as like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next week.